from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A new Henrico Schools facility opens next week, and 2 events will honor the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. We'll tell you about all that and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, January 13th, 2023. It's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
On Tuesday, Henrico County schools officials will dedicate the Oak Avenue complex, a new community school housed in the old Highland Springs High School. They'll hold a ceremony at 4:30 p.m., followed by an open house from 5 to 6:30. The facility is a multi-purpose center designed to connect students and families with community services while expanding academic and career readiness options. The building has been divided to house a variety of functions, including the community school and also the middle school campus of an Achievable Dream Certified Academy, and the temporary home of the Advanced Career Education Center at Highland Springs. Monday is a federal holiday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and in Henrico there will be 2 events to commemorate King and his legacy. First, the Henrico Ministers Conference and Vicinity will hold its 37th annual Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. commemoration program. That'll be at Mount Olive Baptist Church in Glen Allen beginning at 9 a.m. The guest speaker will be Roderick C. Young, a U.S. District Judge for the Eastern District of Virginia, who's also a graduate of Henrico High School. Then at 11:30, the Henrico County Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Commemoration Association will host its 37th annual celebration of King's life, titled The Legacy Continues. That'll be at Henrico High School, 302 Azalea Avenue. Keynote speaker will be Military Sealift Command Chief of Staff Captain Janice G. Smith. Both events are free and open to the public. Henrico's newest fire station officially opened January 4th, and on January 28th, the county will celebrate with a community open house. Fire station number 20 is located at 8521 Willis Road in Henrico, adjacent to the county's Western Government Center. Its construction cost about $11.5 million and was funded by the 2016 bond referendum. The celebration will take place on the 28th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. It'll include a ribbon cutting, tours of the station, activities for children, and also free lunch from Mission Barbecue. A new art exhibit at the Weinstein JCC features work from the students of the Faison Center. Their artwork was inspired by a Jewish festival that encourages reflection on humans' relationship with the land and connection to nature. It's all part of the JCC's annual Inclusion and Diversity Festival. The exhibit is open now through February 24th at the JCC, 5403 Monument Avenue. The Virginia Department of Education is seeking partners to participate in the state's summer food service program that ensures children have access to nutritious meals during months when school is not in session. Approved organizations will be reimbursed for the meals they serve and for associated administrative costs. All participants also receive training and technical assistance from the VDOE. Last year there were more than 160 summer meals partner organizations, and they served more than 13 million meals to Virginia's children between June and August. The program is funded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. For details, you can visit our website, henricocitizen.com. Look for this article for a link. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.